Now, this brings us to the third principle of Neurographica. The problem is a product of the mind. This is very similar to when I said we are reacting to the situation. So we can determine how we actually act based on what happens to us. So think about a rainy day where one person could say, well, what a shame, I can't go outside, such a bad weather. And the other person can say, well, finally it's raining. That's fantastic because I have a garden and now things will grow. And this is just wonderful. So rainy day is a rainy day, but what we make out of it really is our decision. And it's also, so when I make a problem out of a rainy day, this is really a problem that I have produced in my mind. Now, what happens with Neurographica? We understand that the problem is a product of the mind. So when we look at this this person here drawing, then the problem is in here. The problem is literally in his head. Now, what happens? This person starts drawing now, takes a piece of paper and a pen and starts drawing. Again, as we all know, lots of things we're doing in Neurographica to harmonize our thoughts, to make sure that what is on the paper really looks harmonious and gets us in a wonderful, better state. And what happens, because I'm bringing these problems out on the paper and I work on them, then the next thing is that my mind actually is clear. And yeah, there might be nice waves in here, nice brain waves, because I am taking out the problem I'm taking the problem out of the mind and put it on the paper where I can consciously work on it, and I can modify what I'm seeing and what I'm actually also I'm modifying what I'm feeling about it. And the result is that my mind is in a much better condition and feels much better and makes me feel much better, and I can have a different look again at the world. So this is the number one principle. The problem is a product of the mind.